a little bit later. So now I'm the host, and what I'll see at the bottom is that there's a button, and it will, even if you have co-host, it won't show up for the co-host. This button at the bottom for breakout rooms only shows up for the person that's the primary host. Steve, how many groups would you like, and how many people per group is probably the way to think of it, since we have 34, really 32 people. In the future, you'll be able to pre-assign groups, but even on the fly, if you want to do it automatically, it works this way. And you'll see that there's, when I click on breakout rooms, there's a little dialog box that comes up, and it says assign 33 participants to, and then you can set the number of rooms. I think you can set up to like 20. I'm going to set up 10 groups, and then I'm going to click on a button that says create breakout rooms. And what will happen is it takes just a little bit of time. You will each then get either just moved automatically. It depends on how this was set up for the meeting. You can set it so they're moved automatically, or the participants have a little dialog box that says, okay, I'll join that room. A couple of things about this that I want to make sure that you're all aware of. When you're running breakout rooms, as the person, as the host, you can then open up this breakout room separate box. It kind of hovers the way the group chat box will hover, or participants could within a webinar. And then you can see who's in each room, and you can always move people. It's pretty easy to do that. If you just play around with it, you'll see it's pretty easy to hover over a name. You'll see move to, and you can move them to different rooms. You can also join any of the rooms as the host to check in on different groups, and that's a great way to kind of check in. The other thing that you can do is that in that same dialog box, there's a broadcast message function, so that you as the host can send a message to everybody in all of those breakout rooms instead of having to do the chat, and then it shows up on their screen. So if you want to say, hey, 5 minutes left, then you can post that, and that's available. You can click on create breakout rooms. You'll go into those rooms. We'll send a broadcast message when we get close to 20 minutes to let you know that we're running out of time. All right, here we go.